Did you know that your entire existence, from your thoughts to your muscles, relies on tiny, invisible structures? Meet the cell, the fundamental unit of life. Everything around you, from the largest whale to the smallest bacteria, is made up of these incredible units. Curious? Let's dive deep into what makes the cell the building block of life. The mighty cell, building blocks of all living things. Cells are the smallest units that carry out all life processes. Whether you're a human, an animal, or even a plant, everything starts with the cell. Some organisms are made up of a single cell, unicellular, while others, like humans, consist of trillions of cells, multicellular. But wait, what's inside these microscopic powerhouses? Let's explore. The cell membrane, the gatekeeper. Think of the cell membrane like a bodyguard. It surrounds the cell, giving it shape and protecting it. But it's not just there for looks. It controls what enters and exits the cell. Nutrients, in, wastes, out. It's like a security system ensuring only the right things get in and out. The nucleus, the brain of the cell. Every great system needs a control center. In cells, this is the nucleus, the brain that stores the cell's DNA, which contains instructions for every function. This tiny mastermind decides how the cell grows, divides, and functions. Without the nucleus, the cell would be lost. Cytoplasm, the jelly-like workspace. Next up, we have the cytoplasm. It's like a jelly-like fluid filling up the cell. Inside this cytoplasm, organelles, tiny cell organs, float around, each with a specific job to do. The cytoplasm is where a lot of the cell's vital activities take place. The powerhouse, mitochondria. Where do cells get their energy to do all the work? Meet the mitochondria, the power plants of the cell. The mitochondria convert the food you eat into usable energy through cellular respiration. Without these, no energy means no life. Endoplasmic reticulum, the cell's highway. The endoplasmic reticulum, ER, is like the highway system within the cell. It transports materials like proteins and fats. There are two types. Smooth ER handles fats, and rough ER, covered with ribosomes, which build proteins. Golgi apparatus, the cell's post office. Now let's talk about packaging and shipping. The Golgi apparatus receives proteins from the ER, packages them into vesicles, and sends them to their destinations. Think of it as the post office of the cell. Lysosomes, the cleanup crew. Finally, meet the lysosomes, which act like garbage collectors. They break down waste materials and worn-out cell parts, keeping the cell clean and efficient. So from the security of the cell membrane to the power of the mitochondria, every part of the cell plays a crucial role in keeping you alive. Fascinating, isn't it? And that, smart learners, is a quick trip into the world of the fundamental unit of life, the cell. If you're as amazed by this microscopic world as we are, hit like, subscribe, and keep exploring with us.